done, it'll start getting tough as we get done. Hopefully, we got this field here left, so probably about 15 acres. It's about 5 o'clock, so hopefully we can get done tonight. That would be great because tomorrow's Sunday, and then we don't have to do anything tomorrow. And it's not supposed to rain, but we can't really do a whole lot of corn anyways because the bin will be full. We need a good day of rest. So the yield monitor isn't completely calibrated. It's not always right on the money, but it's pretty close to. Right now we're in some 40 bushel beans. Up at the other end they get up to 60. So not any of our best beans. Now we're in 40 bushel beans. I think that's what I just said. But 45. But it says we've done just almost 5,000 bushel of beans this year. But anyways, that's what we're up to. The sun's going down, so it's going to start getting tough here pretty soon. And I hauled 8 loads of manure so far today. Probably won't haul anymore. I'll have to haul some tomorrow. But moisture's right around 13.5. Not really much any under 13, so the moisture is about perfect. When we started, it was way too wet. Not way too wet, but some of it was up in the 16s. But now it's about perfect, so if we would have waited, say, 2 more days, this field would have been too dry just because of how close they were planted. And we combined them in, I think we combined the beans, and I think we started a week ago today. So it was about a week and a half a day since we started. Had a rain delay in between. So other than that, didn't have any major breakdowns on anything, which I would hope not. We didn't have a whole lot to do with the beans here. But running about 2.8, about 2.5 right now. But anyways, we'll keep combining and see if we can get done tonight. So the yield monitor tells you how many bushels you've done in this crop so far, the weight of it, how many acres you've covered, and then your moisture and yield. 12.5 and 13 right now. It's hanging right around 12.6 for an average, I'd say. Super full. I don't know, hopefully we can make it over there without spilling it. It'll be about perfect, I think. So we'll head over to the wagons and dump, and that'll be the second dump onto the wagon. We're to the end now. Dad just pulled in when I got that second one empty. That wagon's actually like 90% full after 2 dumps, since I had 2 big dumps. So I'll probably just take that home, and I gotta scrape the freestalls at least yet tonight. So he got this one empty, and I'll take the next one back. We finished all the beans then that night. We finished up. And we moved on to corn then a couple days later. Had some rain in between, and we finished the corn on Thanksgiving. I'll probably have 2 videos of combining corn for you guys, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.